Welcome to the drama of civilization. Presenting Buffalo Bill's Wild West Show and Congress of Rough Riders of the World. And introducing for the very first time, our own little sure shot, champion sharpshooter of the world, Miss Annie Oakley.
It's so exciting to be part of this production because it's just a really amazing story about a young girl who sort of comes from nothing, and through hard work and also through support of people who are really good to her and kind to her, she manages to do exactly what she wanted to do. It's like a lot of pretending to be cowboys and Indians and getting to shoot guns.
This show is absolutely full of fantastic music. We've got such a range: country and western, blues, jazz, bluegrass. We've also got shootouts, we've got magic, we've got fantastic set pieces. Run, run, here goes the chase. Can you go keep up the pace? Gotta try and find a good hiding place. Got the one with the guns going this way.
It's a really magical show. There's so much in it. Just even acting it, you're like, oh my god, I can't believe. I would love to watch it really because it is just so much fun.